All right. Hello. Good morning. Scott Goldsmith here. We are with another happy Jiffy patient. Just about 3 months out from surgery. Is that correct?
Almost 3 months.
Almost 3 months. Almost 3 months. And we see that you have your your wound is nicely healed. So tell us, how have the last few months been? How much pain were you having before surgery, and what are you up to now?
Before surgery, a lot of pain, and the day one of the surgery, nothing.
Day one?
Day one.
Good for you.
I run out from there, and you saw me, are you leaving now? I say, yes, I am.
That's what at our surgery center, yeah.
I don't believe that I stay there for more than 2 hours after I wake up.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And then since that time, you've started to return back to doing some activities, I hear.
I was controlled with my sister, and after she left, I started doing everything in my house. Yeah, without him in my home. I started moving furniture, painting, doing extra drawers in my cabinets, everything.
This was right after surgery, a couple weeks after surgery.
Right after surgery.
Good for you. And were you able to do that kind of stuff before surgery with your orthopaedic knee?
No.
No, so it's much different now.
Oh, yes.
And
that's a new knee.
It's a new knee. And you're ready to go back to work?
Yep, on Monday.
Oh, good for you.
On Monday.
And then tell me what you told me about the therapist. What did they say about how strong this knee is?
When he checked me to see how I was progressing, he told me that this knee is more stronger than the other one. Then next year, with you again.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that your other knee is hurting, but I'm ecstatic how you're doing on this knee, and we wish you continued success and good luck back at work. And
thank you.
And we keep having nice results with our Jiffy Knees, so come see us at Orthopaedic Medical Group if your knee hurts.